Hi everybody, my name is Carmelo and I'm going to speak about some examples the International Phonetic Alphabet. Let's start. Example number 1. Work on my master project. Example number 2. I have tickets for the latest film by Ricardo Daring. Example number 3. The map of Colombia was in the other classroom. Example number 4. I like to dance in my free time. Example number 5. My husband is a chemistry teacher. Example number 6. Buy a new bicycle. Next, my mother prepares a delicious lunch. My computer is damaged. My schoolmates are crazy. The president was against the public university. The grandparents come next Sunday. I am exhausted. I am painting my garage. I like to eat chocolate. My brother bought a car. Thanks so much for watching.